Well, aloha, boys and girls. It's the GOAT here, the greatest of all time, Clementine. Blow your mind. Grand Daddy of sports travel. I'm in Greenland. Under Greenland, I'm wearing green, but you know, they know green in the Greenland flag. What? Yeah, check it out. It's red and white. It ain't no blue, orange, fat pussy. So here's the deal. The team in the red, they're from another part of Greenland that I can't even attempt to pronounce. There's 3 Q's in the name of the town. Holy cow, where's Vilna when you need them? The team in the white, that's an easy one. Tug-toe, don't you know? T-U-G-T-O. And here's the deal. Kokomo, they're down 1-0. The team in the red is come to play. First half, and as you can see, dog, there's a dog here, but there's a little fog. In fact, the fog is the reason. A couple of years now. What the fuck? I didn't get here yesterday. Because it was too foggy in LA. I was supposed to see a night match last night. Instead, this is the matchup on the sea. Oh, so pleasantly. Oh, actually, I got here before the end of the 3rd match. I'm like the Flash. And check out my groupies. See, this is my groupies. I got groupies even in Greenland. Let's watch some football. Boys and girls, I am here in Nuuk, N-U-U-K, the capital of Greenland, a territory of Denmark. This is a 8-team tournament, the national championship of Greenland. 1 week a year because of the weather, and it's gorgeous. I forgot my gloves and my winter hat, my winter coat. Outside of that, I am the greatest. I never said I was the smartest. Obviously not. So here's the deal, Lemon Peel. This is the final game today of group stage. My flight got here, and because I'm the fastest white boy you ever seen, even in 53, oh so pleasantly, I got to be in the 3rd match. And watch the video at the end of that 3rd match, because there's a nice view. Boogaloo. I even got one with one of my other shirts on. I'm like the Flash, I can even change my shirt fast. I ain't as fast as the brothers in the red, they up 1-0. So we are in the first half. Got my groupies in the foreground. Wait, brother. See, they love me here in Greenland. I just got here. So let's watch some football. You know, meanwhile, I'm gonna have to hitchhike or get some gloves or something. girls, it's the goat here, back with you. Do not pay attention to the scoreboard at the center because it started late. They didn't want making it great, but now it's on, and that's the most important thing. Got a corner kick coming up here. I'll give you a little panorama swoop this way once this brother does the corner. Team in the white, Tug Toe, T-U-G-T-O. They're down the team in red. We're just going to call them Q. You know, like Prince. Oh, your name is Seven, like Prince. Thank you, Weird Al. They got 3 Q's in the name. I can't make this up, but I'll put them at the bottom of the video, and I'm not going to torture the name, you know. I said I wasn't the smartest. You know, what am I, a linguist? I ain't got that stuff down. So everybody here is dressed appropriately except for me. I'm still the prettiest. Well, I did not dress appropriately. Now, the sun is over there. The sun was over there. It's still over there, but it's in the clouds. And this is Nuuk, and I'm staying on the other side of that hill. I found my thrill on the other side of that hill in Nuuk, where you're getting yourself a look. Let's see the corner right now. Not 1, 2 posts! Holy cow! So boys and girls, the team in the red is dominating this here match. I got my groupies looking at me because even my back of my bald head's pretty. Not as pretty as the front, but it's still pretty. The back of my head's like a big smiley face. So the team in the red, Q-U, check that, Q-E-Q, E-R-T-A-R, S-U-A-Q. Holy cow, that's 3 Q's, Mr. Sports Travel, the name of the town. And the late Scooter, you're damn right, Scooter, Q-E-Q, E-R-T-A-R, S-U-A-Q. No wonder the brothers at the National Spelling Bee look like nerds. Who's going to remember a name like that? Who's going to pronounce a name like that? That's the prettiest, longest name I've ever heard of. I've never pronounced. So they're the team in the red up 1-0. I gotta go look for some gloves. Let's watch some football.
Chile 4 minutes.
Boys and girls, if you heard something very carefully there through the howling wind is a raider, we had extra time, Clementine. Remember I told you that clock? It's jacked. Kind of like why I didn't wear gloves. It says 25 minutes. That would be wrong. It's like at 45 minutes. It's 20 minutes behind. Because we had extra time, Clementine. But don't worry, it's just the first half. My prettiness is going to be back soon. Let's watch this here match. I mean first half. boys and girls, it's the GOAT here with a little break in the wind. I said a little. So we got an injury on the field. I moved the camera over this way. So you might be wondering, Mr. Sports Travel, where are you standing? I'll give you a little panorama here. I'll do it at halftime because I want you to watch the football. Well, to resume, let's just say it's not exactly flat. The earth around Cairo, we're not going to get into that. So here's the deal. Team in the white is FC Tug Toe, T-U-G-T-O, don't you know? They're down 1-0. Team in the red, they're from another part of Greenland. I'm in Nuuk, N-U-K, the capital, boys and girls. And holy cow dog, that's a lot of fog. You wouldn't know it, but there's a sun over there. If you watch the earlier videos, and the pictures of me looking pretty like a girl, it's 9:01. If the sun was out, you would think it's like 12:30 in the afternoon, but the sun ain't out. So the reason I didn't get here yesterday, 24 hours ago, because of the fog, dog. But I'm here now, because I'm the greatest of all time. One of a kind, Superman Sports Trail. This is my 105th, I might be wrong, I know it ain't less than that, country or territory to see football. Let's watch the end of this here first half. So boys and girls, that is the end of the first half. We'll be back, Jack, for the second half. Greenlandic National Championship, group stage, 1-0, team in the red. I'm pretty, it's foggy. See you next video.